Push Yoga. In this session, I am starting winter weight loss yoga, and also here we always keep some challenges for the specific occasion weight loss or New Year. Before also we are planning some weight loss. This week we are challenging weight loss videos with asanas. If you are following everyday new diet, that's also help for you to in this week or 10 days at least 2 kgs weight loss. Every video I will show you effective weight loss workout asanas. If you are following these 7-10 days videos, you will get 100% 2 kgs weight loss. Along with asanas practice, you have to follow the diet also. Every video I will tell you what diet that day you need to follow. Let's get started. Asanas. This one who are planning to challenging weight loss, they self only I am showing. If you are getting backache or neck pain or pregnant ladies, don't do this session of videos. Here you have to do some toning exercise first. Sit like this, exhale, inhale up, exhale, leg change. This is a toning before asana. Do it at least 20 times. After 20 times, leg rise, hand stretch, do the slow breathe. Be in position. 20 or 30 seconds you have to be in this position. And then hands up, leg down, inhale, exhale, go to the other leg. Be in position 20 or 30 seconds or how long you able to be in position, you can be it. You can practice asana. Then inhale, exhale. You have to slouch the body here and heel balance feet also. Be in position 10-20 seconds. In this asana practice, you will get abs workout and abdomen workout, hands workout, full body will get slim and weight loss, fat burning, and also flexibility. At least 30-40 seconds you have to be in position. From 10 seconds onwards will get vibration in body. That is a symbol we are getting inside body workout. Relax. Next is a forward stretch. Inhale, exhale, go forward stretch. Here I am stretching hands down. I am not catching everywhere. Legs, just I am stretching down, and body towards some legs I am stretching. Hand stretch down, as much as possible stretch or out of the leg stretch. Be in position, do the slow breathe. Relax. Next asana is you have to do leg rise with inhale, body twist. And this also you need some toning workout. Directly if you are doing asana, that's you need to do 3-4 sets. If you are doing first this warming exercise, then you can do 1 set also. Good. Here inhale, be in position. Do the breathe slowly. At least 30-40 seconds, arrange timer and be in position. Other side. Relax. 10 seconds relax in Jaina Mudra. Now is a single leg sitting. Here we are sitting thighs balanced, not on the floor. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Towards one leg you have to stretch body. Inhale, exhale, stretch down. Inhale, exhale, and then hold hands up and together palm facing up. Be in position 20-30 seconds. Relax. Same asana, other side. Inhale, exhale forward. Inhale, exhale, stretch forward. Inhale, exhale, stretch forward. And then be in position, stretch body along with the hands facing up. Be in position, do the slow breathe. Try to focus on your breath. Relax. Again coming to the Dhyana Mudra sitting. Try to catch your breath while sitting in this position. Next to the split legs position. Actually you have to stretch legs here while split mat distance. It means 6 feet you have to stretch the legs. And without body bending, just twist the body and touch on the toe. Inhale, exhale. In this movements will give you your waistline and also thighs reduction. Inhale, exhale. At least 20 or 40 if you are doing this one. It's a good for weight loss and also flexibility. Inhale, exhale. After 20 or 40 times. And then now is a holding challenge. Inhale, exhale, hold the position, forehead touch on the knee, hand lock on toe, other hand back stretch. Be in position at least 20 or 30 seconds. If you are long practitioner in yoga, you need to increase your holding time also. Inhale, exhale, other side. Be in position, lock here, toe and stretch the body. If you are locked on the toe or ankle, you will get the grip to stretch body. Inhale, come up. And here along with hands, body also rise up and stretch your ankle. It will give you the thighs, fat burning and tightening thighs. Not only weight loss, we have to target our body tightening also. It will looking good. Next go forward. Forward stretch, hands hold on your toe. Body stretch on the floor. Be in position 30-40 seconds. If it's possible, keep your timer. Next inhale, exhale. You have to lock feet and stretch the body every time. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Do it 20 or 30 times and then next hold 20 seconds, 40 seconds or 50 seconds one position. Then change other side. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go other side. While being in asana, always do the slow breath. And here one correction, don't raise your leg, just stretch on the floor leg. Be in position, long time. When coming up, inhale, exhale, hands down. Next is the hands in Jaina Mudra. Try to focus on your breath. While coming out, slowly move your hands, release your mudra, rough your hands, heat should be given your eyes, face. The end moment, if you are doing always this, what I am showing this tip, it will give you the fresh feeling, looking your face also fresh. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll also follow my this 10 days videos. You will get at least 2 kg weight loss. And here for this video, follow the diet keto diet or 0 calories diet, within a 1 day also you can reduce 500 calories. Namaste.